Hi everyone, the topic for today is GST, PAYG and trading name. Now why is this topic important? Because when you apply for an ABN number, whether it is sole trader, it is company, it is partnership or trust, whenever you apply for an ABN number, then the ABN application gives you option of these three, whether you want GST registration, whether you want PAYG withholding, which is for if you want to hire employees, and for trading name. So the ABN application gives you option for these three. Now what happens if you have not filled any like these options? You say, no, I don't want trading name, no, I don't want PAYG registration, I don't want GST. Maybe you did not understand when you were filling, you were not sure what is that for, you just missed it out and you received ABN number, and after a month you realized, oh, I need to register for GST because my turnover is going to be more than 75,000. Or maybe you think like you realize later on that you have to hire employees after a month, after 2 months, after 6 months, maybe after 3 years. You realize that now I have to hire employees, so you must register for PAYG withholding. Or maybe you realize after 2 weeks, oh, and I must have a trading name, some good trading name. So what do you do at that time? Do you call tax office, or like whom do you contact? You can do it yourself, or you can contact a tax agent like us. It is not hard. You can call tax office to get GST registration done. The number is 132861. You can call tax office, you can tell them I want to get GST registration from this state, and they will register you for GST. Or you can call any tax agent. Okay, this is for GST. Same thing is for PAYG withholding. For PAYG, if you want to register as an employer, you want to hire employees, you need to call tax office. They will ask you questions, how many employees will you hire and what amount of tax you are expecting to withhold from the salary. You just have to give approximate or estimated figure, because right now you do not know. So just give an approximate figure. What if you want to apply for a trading name? Well, you don't go to tax office for that. You apply online. Go to asic.gov.au and apply for a trading name. Over there you will have option. If you want 1 year trading name, this is the fees. It is not free. If you want 3-year trading name, this is the fees. So it is not free. You don't call tax office for a trading name. You need to put ABN number so that they can link your trading name with the ABN number. It is always recommended to get a trading name, because if you are thinking you will have in future, what happens if someone else takes the trading name? If someone else takes trading name, you cannot apply for it. So it is always good you apply for a trading name as soon as you can. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.